Magnetic separation pulleys, also known as magnetic head pulleys, play a crucial role in separating and removing ferrous contaminants from the material being transported. Sinoneo Magnets offers a diverse selection of these pulleys, designed to replace existing head pulleys in belt conveyors. These pulleys utilize a radial magnetic field to hold and separate tramp metal from the product flow at the point of discharge. They can be used either on their own or in combination with magnetic takeoff rails, which carry the ferrous material further away from the pulley before release. Sinoneo Magnets provides magnetic head pulley separator in various sizes, ensuring a perfect fit for different conveyor systems and belt widths. The shaft can also be machined to your specifications, offering customization options. Now, let's talk about the benefits of Sinoneo Magnets magnetic separation pulleys. Firstly, they ensure effective ferrous contaminant removal, improving the purity and quality of the transported materials. Secondly, these pulleys protect downstream equipment from potential damage caused by ferrous contaminants, ensuring smooth and uninterrupted production processes. Thirdly, Sinoneo Magnets magnetic separation pulleys provide automatic and continuous operation, allowing for hassle-free tramp metal removal from the material flow. Lastly, these pulleys find applications in various industries such as waste recovery, feed and grain, and mining, to name a few. To learn more about Sinoneo Magnets magnetic separation pulleys and their features, visit our website www.sinoneo.com or contact us directly at email, sales@sinoneo.com.